me tonight is none other than Sajjad Lone, a man who's been a separatist, a man who's been a minister in the PDP, BJP government some years ago, and a man today who describes himself on Twitter as a mute bystander, noisily noiseless, currently unemployed, once upon a time politician in Jammu and Kashmir People's Conference. Sajjad Saab, welcome to Frankly Speaking, and that's a very eloquent introduction to the man Sajjad Lone. Why do you describe yourself like this?
Yeah. Well, it's I didn't know that you will dig into my Twitter bio, but partly satire, partly serious. It reflects some seriously. Mute bystander in the sense that nobody listens to us. Noisily noiseless means that even if we make any noise, nothing comes out of it. And then what else? Yeah, unemployed. Yeah, that's meaning that the politicians are out of work in J&K. And what was the last? Once upon a time. Yeah, until politics is back, it is once upon a time for politics in J&K.
So Sajjad Lone, is this self-deprecation? Are you saying this because you were a whiff of breath, fresh air, in Jammu and Kashmir in 2015 with a new hope in your eyes, who had once sworn to, by the Quran, never to take part in the democratic process, and then you put your faith in democracy, participated in the elections, became a minister in the PDP, BJP government that was made in Jammu and Kashmir. Has a lot of water flown under the bridge since then? Where do you see yourself standing? Who are your friends today and who are your enemies?
Navika, first of all, let me tell you, you brought about that clip where I put my hand. If you look at the whole video, I never in that clip anywhere say that I won't take part in elections. This is a propaganda of those people who are anti-elections. And unfortunately, you also haven't seen the clip. I have always been a moderate person. I've never condoned violence, always condemned it. And yes, as things stand today, people like me, they do feel out of place given what has happened in the last 2 years. They do feel there's a lot of pain, there's a lot of thing like, what happened, to the idealism, to the dreams that we had.
So do you find yourself closer to the Gupkar gang, as they are called, Mehbooba Mufti, the Abdullah's point of view, or do you find yourself closer to the Modi point of view on Jammu and Kashmir? Where do you stand, Sajjad Lone?
No, I stand with my people, with the people of Kashmir, with the people of J&K, we are all together in it. There are no extremities for me, like even Mr. Modi invited, the Honorable Prime Minister, he invited everybody, including from the Gupkar Alliance, for talks. So these are two extremities. If you look at them, I don't. But I am neither there nor here now. I'm somewhere in the middle.
So what does the middle path of Jammu and Kashmir want?
Downgrading us to a UT, that has been quite a humiliating realization for us, for people here on the ground. That, in your own country, you can actually be downgraded, because the first of its type. We have seen UTs becoming states. It was the first of a time where you go in the reverse direction. You go back actually, from class 10 to say lower KG. So this has been something of a very belittling experience.
But Sajjad Lone, we understand from the reports that have come out so far that the all-party meeting, which was chaired by the Prime Minister, saw you in a very emotional state of mind. Do you think extremities are destroying the process of Aman in Jammu and Kashmir? Are you opposed to going through a few phases before you get back to statehood, which is the ultimate goal and objective even stated by the Modi Sarkar?
Look, Navika, I'll tell you something. You are as much of an Indian as I am. Statehood is my right. It's not something like of a charity. Don't brand it as charity. It's my right. I am a resident of J&K and I want my state back. I want my concessions back. I am not interfering in your life. I am not you per se, but anybody else. I don't know why every Indian citizen seems that it is his moral duty, that he's ordained to come and interfere in anything that a Kashmiri does. Navika, problem is that most of you have no idea of history of J&K. If you had some element of history that how did J&K become a part of India? It was the people of J&K who fought the raiders in 1947. India had just got independent. They didn't have even their army. By the time the army could have come, the raiders were up till Baramulla. They were stopped by the people. This J&K has been gifted to India by the people of Kashmir. They have fought for it. Lakhs died. Pardon me, you guys did not sacrifice for this being a part of India. We sacrificed. And now you who did not sacrifice will come and sermonize us, to us, how we have to behave. You know, I'll tell you something. Please listen to me. You know, if you look at the timeline of justice, in 1215, I remember, if I have read correctly, in Britain, there used to be trial by ordeal, wherein women who were accused of being witches were in a ducking method put in a river. If they drowned, they were supposed to be innocent, but they would die because they drowned. If they didn't drown and they floated, then they were witches and had to be burnt alive. So either way, either they would drown or be burnt alive. So in Kashmiri, if a Pakistani bullet finds a Kashmiri, as happened in the case of the SPO yesterday, you find your martyr. And if the Pakistani bullet does not find the Kashmiri, you find your terrorist. For heaven's sake, who is fighting your battle here, our battle here? It's people like the Rafiq, who was killed yesterday. 20,000 like him lying in the graves. Go and tell them that we have taken your special status away. Do you have the moral courage to tell them? They have given their lives. Navika, what have you given? You tell me personally. Because I see you always on the TV shouting, what have you given? Compared to those 20,000 people. They are resting in the graves. They gave their lives. And you will teach them what patriotism is? Come on. You know, come off it. This can't
Mr.
go
Sajjad Lone, Mr.
even
Sajjad
worse.
Lone,
How worse can it go?
allow me, Mr. Sajjad Lone, allow me. I mean, you can't hold the fact that I was not alive or born in 1947 against me. But you're asking me what I have given? My parents,
But
both
Rafiq
my
was killed
parents
yesterday.
were in
Rafiq was
erstwhile
killed
Punjab
yesterday.
of 1 minute now. 1 minute. Now that you have spoken, allow me to speak as well. My parents have walked barefoot from what was Punjab in Pakistan to what is now Delhi and other parts of the country during partition. My mother, who was less than 7 years old then, was in a train where people were coming in and they were picking up girls, they were raping them, they were shooting the men in that train, and till I was 15 years old, I saw my mother waking up in cold sweat every night. You're telling us that we don't know what the pain of partition was? We don't know what the freedom struggle was, Mr. Sajjad?
Well, you stop belittling, but
अपनी कहानी ज़्यादा दर्दनाक
don't
लगती है.
belittle our
दूसरों की
sacrifices.
कहानी
I'm
के
talking
लिए
of
भी
J&K.
tolerance रखा
I'm not
करिए.
talking of pan-India. I'm talking of J&K. This is the reality.
That is no. Why will you
This
not
is the
talk
reality.
of pan India? Why will you not talk of pan India? Has Punjab given lesser amount of sacrifice for this country than Jammu and Kashmir? You said I'm as much as an Indian as
I will
anybody
tell you
else,
something.
and you question what sacrifice have others made. I'm telling you, I'm the daughter of Punjab and my families have made sacrifices. So should I also ask for a separate state and a separate status for Punjab in this country? Answer me. Should every state begin to do that?
Navika, yeah, I am talking in the context of J&K, right? I'm talking in the context of J&K. What I wish is my right. That is my democracy. You will not define democracy for me. This is my democratic right, what I want. You can disagree with me, but if I show dissent with you, you can't paint me as anti-national. No, you can't. No, you can't, unless this is some new model of
And in
democracy.
democracy.
You can't in
Certainly,
any democratic.
you
No,
are-
nowhere in
you
the
are
world.
somebody
Wherever
who
there is
allowed
civilized
in a
democracy, you
democracy
can't.
to dissent. I'm not taking that away from you. I'm nobody to take that right away from you, Sajjad Lone.
No, but you just demonizing the Kashmiris every day on your TV, telling they are this, they are that, they are terrorists. That's all you're doing every day.
Give me one occasion when that has been said. One occasion when we have said that dissent does not have place in this country. I am only saying that in a democracy, you may have your view, but there is another view, and the majority is the way the decisions are taken. Sometimes, yes, it is painful for a set of
Yeah,
people.
I'm not a great subscriber or a lover of majoritarian democracy.
I want to ask you, Sajjad Lone, have you seen no sense of improvement since 2019 in terms of infrastructure, in terms of amenities, in terms of welfare of the people of Jammu and Kashmir? Something that was probably absent in the period when governments have come and governments have gone.
And Navika, let's be very honest. Are we both going to be honest for next 5 minutes? आपने 2019 से बोला आज तक
I'm
कितना
always
हुआ?
honest.
700 दिन नहीं हुए अभी तक.
I'm always honest.
Okay, let me be honest this time.
आप अपनी बात करिए.
650 days roughly. ठीक है, I will try to be honest. 650 days. Okay. इसमें बंद कितना दिन था? 400 दिन तो बंद था. 250 दिन में कौन सा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनेगा? You tell me. 250 दिन में कौन सा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनेगा? अगर 400 दिन बंद था तो 250 में बनेगा. ये अफसर लोग झूठ बोलते हैं. कहां से बनाएंगे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर 250 दिन में? और फिर उसमें सर्दियां भी ऐड कर ले. सर्दियों में तो यहां काम ही नहीं होता है. माइनस डिग्री होता है एटलीस्ट 70% ऑफ द स्टेट में. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू, दे कुड हैव डन बट दे डिडंट गेट एनी टाइम. देयर वाज कोविड से पहले हालात खराब थे. लॉकडाउन्स के बगैर भी 3-4 महीना बंद था. सो अगर ये 300-400 दिन बंद था, फिर सर्दी का मौसम, वर्किंग डेज अगर देखें, इफ यू एक्चुअली आस्क मी वर्किंग डेज 100-150 मिला होगा, तो 150 दिन में कौन सा रेवोल्यूशनरी वो बन जाएगा. बट व्हाट नीड्स टू बी डन इज दैट government really needs to set up a commission to investigate how much lying has taken place. I honestly, Navika, please don't get me wrong, but they actually need to investigate कि ये जो claims हैं हमने बनाई है 150 दिन 200 दिन में, what have they made? हम भी पिछले सरकार में थे. जो पैसा हमारे वक्त आया है, एटलीस्ट जहां मैं एमएलए था, मैंने नया तो कुछ नहीं देखा. द ओल्ड, इट इज अ पीएमडीपी, प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स डेवलपमेंट पैकेज, उसका जो मैक्सिमम पैसा है वो काम हो रहा है. फिर हमारे वक्त वो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी पार्क आ रही थी, वो बन रही है. मेडिकल कॉलेज आया था, उस पर बन रहा है. खैर उसका तो टेंडर निकला है. दोज थिंग्स वी हैव सीन. उसके बगैर बिकॉज टाइम ही नहीं मिला उनको. सो आई एम नॉट डिबंकिंग और सेइंग इन एनी केस दैट. और दूसरी बात, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल हैड देयर बीन डेवलपमेंट, एज अ डेमोक्रेट आई वुड हैव सेड ठीक है, डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट इससे ज्यादा बना लेती. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, सिंस दे डिडंट गेट एनी टाइम, हाउ वुड दे मेक इट? एंड इफ दे आर क्लेमिंग दे हैव मेड इट, यहाँ के ब्यूरोक्रेट्स, if they are claiming, तो फिर गलत बोल रहे हैं कि 150 दिन में क्या होता. And Navika, someday when I come to
Is
Delhi,
terrorism
hopefully
down?
we'll sit over a cup of coffee and I will detail. टेररिज्म कभी डाउन नहीं होगा. ये 150 मिलिटेंट हमेशा वहां रहेंगे. There will always be 150 militants और 150 terrorists. ये पिछले 700 साल से यहाँ, अगले 700 साल भी होंगे. You see, point is these statistics. When I was, last 20 years 150, उससे कम हो ही नहीं रहा है. Yes, incidents of stone pelting have come down, no doubt about it. जो civil strife होती है, like there used to be, वो कम हो गया. But if you talk of these killings वगैरह बाकी चीज, this element of ये जो वो last vestigial होता है किसी चीज का, it takes time. It takes a lot of time. That is persisting for some reason. ये जो ये 100-150 का नंबर है, it always almost stays there. So hopefully, let's hope so, that good sense prevails on the people also, and we see an end to this violence, end to this terror. Because, as I can, majority of the people don't like violence, चाहे कुछ भी हो. They don't like violence. They want their children to go freely, come back from school, go for jobs, career progression ho jaye. And we are exactly the same people. It's not that we like some blooming guns, or we have children, we worried that बच्चे को कुछ ना हो जाए, बूढ़ा ठीक हो, बीमार हो, उसको हॉस्पिटल पहुंचाया जाए, हॉस्पिटल बंद ना हो, हड़ताल ना हो. Yes, हड़ताल्स में कमी आई है. Yes, there have been lesser हड़ताल्स, no doubt about it. But the other part, as I'm telling you, is that वो जो 150 का फिगर है, वो persist कर रहा है, but that will stay because they usually top it up. If you take off 10.
Sajjad Loan, when you quit the Gupkar alliance, when you quit the Gupkar alliance, when they fielded proxy candidates in the DDC elections, and you've had your differences with them. Do you think this kind of a confrontational alliance is really necessary at a time when we really need to rebuild Kashmir in a manner that hasn't happened really before? Or do you think statements like the ones made by Dr. Farooq Abdullah, where he said that there should be a plebiscite and there is a sense of mistrust between the people of Jammu and Kashmir and the centre, these kind of statements actually take away from the rebuilding process that is so necessary? वो कहते हैं ना कि मरहम लगाने के लिए पहले खून रिसना तो बंद हो जाए, तभी मरहम लगाई जा सकती है, नहीं तो आप उसके ऊपर कुछ लगा भी नहीं सकते. तो ये रिसने का जो सिलसिला है, ये कब बंद होगा? और ये गुपकर अलायंस के पास इसका फॉर्मूला है कि नहीं?
No, Navika, I'll tell you something. जो भी leadership हो, let's not, because I was with them, I've spent time with them, and I won't comment on them, but I'll tell you something. J&K is in a very unenviable position. Government of India should do one thing. They should look at the people of J&K, not our utterances. Na meri utterance, na kisi aur ki utterances. We may have our own problems, but J&K, the government of India, the Prime Minister, Honorable Home Minister, should deliver solely looking at the people of J&K. वो उनके लोग हैं. Our utterances should not impact their decisions. Yes, we do have this propensity, we do have this fatal streak of at times going over the board and making statements which are much bigger than us. मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ. I'm not talking about anybody else. But yes, I do agree partly on, not partly, but fully on one thing, that given that we need, if we want something for people of J&K, if to start off we need our statehood back, we will have to facilitate the government of India in delivering that. That can only be done by not making things difficult for them. It's a very tight situation, very precarious. India, I always say, is a land of elections. There are elections every 7 months, every 8 months. Then there is the opposition, there is the ruling party. And if all of a sudden this Kashmir crops, J&K crops up, it becomes politically tough. Any prime minister would say, okay, wait. So yes, I agree with you. These brash statements will not help, will not facilitate, but will impede deliverability, and which is bad.
Sajjad Loan, when we started, frankly speaking, you were like an angry young man. And then you actually confessed that you were venting. And I think that process of venting is very important if we have to actually put behind the differences or the perceptional issues that exist on आपने मुझे अच्छे से नहीं किया. दो दोस्तों के बीच में भी होता है कि तुमने उस वक्त मुझे ये कहा था, मुझे बुरा लगा, मैंने उस वक्त कुछ नहीं कहा, पर वो अंदर रिश्ता रहता है, and you can never be normal again. So it's important to vent. Sometimes it's important to come out and have an open dialogue, put everything on the table, and then start the rebuilding process. So today, having you on the show, I hope has been a step in that direction. I just hope, just like the Prime Minister said, दिल और दिल्ली की दूरी जो है अब खत्म करनी पड़ेगी. आप भी अब आप और हम में फासला मत रखिए, दीवारें मत खड़े करिए, क्योंकि दीवारों से आप उधर रह जाएंगे, हम इधर रह जाएंगे, और दीवारों से कभी किसी का भला हुआ नहीं है. कभी किसी की ना खुशियों में इजाफा हुआ है, ना किसी की तरक्की में कभी इजाफा हुआ है दीवारें खड़ी करके. at least I'm very hopeful if people like you come forward, speak their angst, their anguish, express it, make other people understand, because मेरे हिसाब से in humanity dialogue के अलावा कोई चारा भी नहीं है. Do you really feel the same way? And are you really prepared to give Naya Kashmir a real chance?
Who would disagree on this? First of all, let me tell you, it's been pleasure. It's good, I have, when I say venting, I hadn't been on Times now for a long time and had watched it. Even when we were in internment, we used to watch it. So, वो सारा जितना भी था वो first I offloaded in the first 10 minutes. So that's a good thing. But yes, I do agree with you that we have to look forward. There is no way we can look backward. And I agree that, we have to get in together in it. And to be very honest, जहाँ मैं अपनी गलती मानने के लिए तैयार हूँ, जहाँ हम सब अपनी गलतियाँ मानने के लिए तैयार हैं, Navika, people like you have you come in the evening and you reach out to millions of people. You also have a duty in believing that yes, we could also have got it wrong. We also need to tread a path which is reconciliatory. And hopefully, yes, and as you said, dialogue. There is no other way apart from dialogue. No way we should talk. Jaise abhi the Honorable Prime Minister convened this meeting. This is the best thing that has happened. Forget about the results. There are many people who want to write it off, who want to write the process off. But no, this is a start, and I'm sure it will evolve into something very good for the people of the state.
आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा, and I just hope that we will not be governed by the perceptions that we have of people, but we will actually participate in the dialogue process. क्योंकि कई बार जो लगता है वो होता नहीं, जो होता है वो लगता नहीं, और क्या है, हमें उसी सुबह की इंतजार करनी है, क्योंकि वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी.
Inshallah, yes, let's hope so. Let's hope for that.